25 incredible benefits of guava leaves. Guava leaves are often overlooked despite the widespread popularity of the guava fruit. While many people enjoy the fruit's sweet and tangy flavor, they may not realize the powerful health benefits packed into the leaves. These leaves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, offering a variety of benefits, from boosting immunity to treating skin issues. In this article, we will explore 25 incredible benefits of guava leaves and how you can incorporate them into your daily life. Sharing ideas. Me, food and drinks. Interesting 25 incredible benefits of guava leaves. Guava leaves are often overlooked despite the widespread popularity of the guava fruit. While many people enjoy the fruit's sweet and tangy flavor, they may not realize the powerful health benefits packed into the leaves. These leaves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, offering a variety of benefits, from boosting immunity to treating skin issues. In this article, we will explore 25 incredible benefits of guava leaves and how you can incorporate them into your daily life. 25 benefits of guava leaves. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Guava leaves are loaded with antioxidants which help fight free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and preventing cell damage. 2. Aids in weight loss. Drinking guava leaf tea can help suppress appetite, regulate blood sugar levels, and enhance fat-burning processes, making it a natural aid for weight management. 3. Promotes heart health. The leaves are known to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol, promoting overall heart health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Improves digestive health. Guava leaves are effective in treating digestive issues like diarrhea, bloating, and indigestion due to their antimicrobial properties. Helps manage diabetes. Guava leaves contain compounds that help regulate blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties in guava leaves can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, easing pain and discomfort from various conditions like arthritis. Promotes oral health. Chewing guava leaves or using guava leaf extract as a mouthwash can help combat gum disease, toothaches, and bad breath. Boosts immune system. Guava leaves are packed with vitamin C and other immune-boosting compounds that help strengthen the body's defense system. Supports liver health. The leaves have been traditionally used to detoxify the liver and promote its optimal functioning by reducing the accumulation of toxins. Fights infections. Guava leaves possess antimicrobial properties that make them effective against bacterial infections, like E. coli and Staphylococcus. Reduces acne and skin inflammation. Applying guava leaf extract to the skin can help reduce acne, soothe inflammation, and promote a clearer complexion due to its antibacterial properties. Prevents hair loss. Guava leaves can strengthen hair roots and prevent hair loss when massaged into the scalp, thanks to their rich nutrient content. Improves skin texture. Regular use of guava leaf extract or guava leaf powder can improve skin elasticity and reduce signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. Eases menstrual pain. Drinking guava leaf tea can help reduce the intensity of menstrual cramps due to its ability to relax uterine muscles. Helps treat respiratory conditions. Guava leaf tea is beneficial for alleviating symptoms of bronchitis, asthma, and colds, as it helps clear mucus and opens airways. Lowers blood pressure. The leaves contain potassium, which helps lower blood pressure by balancing electrolytes and reducing strain on the heart. Relieves stress. Consuming guava leaf tea can have a calming effect on the body, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Treats diarrhea. Traditional medicine often uses guava leaves to treat diarrhea by reducing fluid loss and preventing further digestive issues. Improves vision. Guava leaves contain vitamin A, which promotes healthy vision and can help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Aids in wound healing. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of guava leaves make them ideal for applying to wounds to accelerate healing. Supports weight gain. For those looking to gain weight in a healthy way, guava leaves can help balance metabolism and improve nutrient absorption. Fights allergies. The anti-allergenic properties in guava leaves may help reduce the symptoms of allergic reactions such as itching and swelling. Regulates thyroid function. Guava leaves are known to support healthy thyroid function, improving hormonal balance and metabolism. Boosts energy levels. Drinking guava leaf tea can increase energy levels naturally by providing the body with essential nutrients and promoting better digestion. Fights cancer cells. Some studies suggest that guava leaf extract may inhibit the growth of certain CAE. How to use guava leaves. The most common way to consume guava leaves is by making tea. Boil a handful of fresh or dried guava leaves in water for 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy a cup of this health-boosting beverage up to twice a day. Topical application. To benefit from guava leaves' skin and hair benefits, crush the leaves into a paste and apply directly to the affected area, or use the extract in homemade face masks and hair treatments. Guava leaf powder. You can dry guava leaves and grind them into a fine powder. This powder can be added to smoothies, sprinkled over food, or used in DIY skincare remedies. Guava leaf bath boil. Guava leaves in a large pot of water and add the liquid to your bath. This can help relieve skin irritations and provide a relaxing experience.